Scania unveils next-generation truck specifications. The truck range will feature at least 16 new models for a variety of roles. Swedish truck maker Scania has revealed more details on its next-generation truck range, confirming a number of vehicle specifications. The new range, which launched last month in Paris and features a newly designed cab, will ship in at least 16 different variations ranging from the 410 horsepower R410 model all the way up to the 730 horsepower S730 model. While an Australian rollout hasn't been confirmed, it may be up to 3 years away. The new heavy-duty range is currently being tested by owner/driver staff in Europe. The tested R-Series range includes the previously mentioned R410, 4 R450 variants, 3 R500 models, and an R730. The S-Series starts with the 450 horsepower S450, and moves upwards through 2 S500 models, 2 S580 variants, and tops out with 2 S730 trucks. Full specifications are below. All models in the next-generation lineup feature a Euro 6 powerplant that, Scania says, offers a 3% fuel consumption reduction thanks to a new engine management system and overhauled installation. The total fuel savings are around 5%, however, when aerodynamics and intelligent function improvements are taken into account. Powertrains. New in the range is a 500 horsepower inline 13-liter engine, which sits on top of Scania's 413-liter engine lineup. Using SCR for exhaust after treatment, Scania's head of engine development Bjorn Westman says the new engine fills a sweet spot for the company. Our inline 13-liter engines perform fantastically well with only SCR and a robust turbocharger featuring fixed geometry, Westman says. With this addition we are, from a power perspective, offering a concept that appeals to a large number of customers in a wide range of applications.